The 2001-2005 Honda Civic's taillight assembly houses the brake lights, reverse lights, and turn signals. The brake and turn lights use a 7440 dual filament bulb, while the reverse light uses a 921 single filament bulb. To access them, open the trunk and remove the trunk lining panel, which is secured by clips or screws. Once the panel is removed, you'll see the bulb sockets. Twist the specific bulb socket counterclockwise to release it from the assembly, and then gently pull the old bulb straight out. When replacing the bulb, match the wattage, 21 watt per 5 watts for the 7440 brake turn bulb. Ensure proper seating to avoid electrical shorts. While halogen bulbs are standard, LED replacements like the 7440 LED or 921 LED offer increased lifespan and efficiency. Ensure correct polarity when installing LEDs. Check the fuse box, usually under the hood, if the new bulb doesn't work. Clean any corrosion from the socket for a solid connection. A faulty ground can cause hyperflashing or the bulb not working. Replacing with OEM bulbs or certified aftermarket LEDs ensures compliance with FMVSS 108 standards, important for safety and legal reasons. Consider upgrading to LED bulbs for longevity and reduced maintenance.